When I first made and uploaded the video of the mirror chrome delete, I didn't expect multiple people to have problems with attaching the mirror back. I got the idea from the Tesla Model S video, and I thought I could wrap the top in one piece. I think the way to picture it is to reverse what you have done. So I first removed the mirror from the base with the mirror in the closed position and pulling it back and out. So I'm going to do a close-up of the mirror assembly here, and the motor is attached to the mirror, not the base. Ensure that the mirror is in the closed position. When I got the mirror off the base, it was slightly hyperextended. In that approximate position, wiggle the mirror until you can feel it sitting correctly in the assembly. Since you pulled up to remove, you may have to push down while wiggling it in place. For good measure, open the door to see if the mirror works.